Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be going over the new template for spatial analysis in Power BI. Now, here we have a model we recovered from bimcollab.com, who we thank, and we will be using it for this sample. So let's start downloading. We select the new template. Of course, the model we're going to be used must obviously have defined some spaces within it. And that's all you really need to start. So now we're opening it up. We have recently re-engineered our data extraction engine, drastically reducing the initial load times and the recovery of the data, even with big models. Okay, so here is the new template. Now we can see we have on the top left a list of floors, followed by a list of space descriptions. These are the type of spaces we have, and the detail of the space names. So we're ready with this model. We can start selecting all floors and selecting the space descriptions. So here we can see the evidence of the offices within the model. To get a better view, we can put X-ray mode and look around. Now we can pick a specific floor, a specific space, and you can see the floors are filtered for only the floor that contains these spaces we are viewing. Let's set back everything. Okay, now let's select a specific floor, and we can see the, for example, the offices in this floor. To get a better view, we can hide the ceiling. That way we can see the spaces better. Okay, and now we can see the different spaces and how they occupy our model. We can see the bathrooms versus the hallways. Of course, as always, we can hide the data we don't need. And we can do our analysis on the spaces. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you soon.